Hello everyone and welcome to Get for Programmers. In this course we're going to teach you about the Get source code and control system and how to use it. In this course overview I'm going to outline what's all in this course. So let's go ahead and take a look at the material. Hello everyone and welcome to the class. This is a short focus course on the Get source code control system. I assume that you're a complete beginner with Get and you have no previous background or experience. I'll show you what you need to do of how to install Get and get going right away. And I will show you how to install Get on your home computer, but this course will also include hands-on labs at labs.destinlearning.com. And there you can work on some exercises that I've put together, some step-by-step labs where you don't have to install any software, and you'll learn about different scenarios about using this fantastic source code control system called Get. So let's go ahead and take a look at the materials of this course. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our course contents. Module 1 is our introduction, which we're doing right now. Following that, in the next module, in Module 2, I'm going to give you a brief overview of Get. Where did it come from? How was it developed? And what is essentially the product? Module 3, I'm going to show you how to install and configure Get on your own home computer. And then in Module 4, we'll get to it right away with how to use Get. Hands-on commands, what are the basic commands, and flow. Module 5, I'm going to show you how to use Get with Visual Studio, a fantastic plugin, great combination to use Visual Studio Code along with Get. In Module 6, we're going to look at branching and merging, which is a critical aspect of a source code control system to help you with things like feature development. In Module 7, I'll show you how to collaborate with your team with Get. In Module 8, we're going to look at advanced Get concepts. And then following that in Module 9, we're going to look at the best practices that you can use with Get. And then in Module 10 and 11, we'll wrap it up with a quiz and our course summary. So I'm super excited to get started. That's the contents. Let's go ahead and wrap this lesson up. So once again, thank you for attending this class. Please leave a review when it's over. There's a lesson at the very end where you can leave a review online. And also you can send any feedback to sales@destinlearning.com. Well, that concludes our overview. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye. Thank you for your interest in this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, and you can check out my classes on my website at courses.destinlearning.com. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.